Hi guys, welcome back to Crazy Ideas No One. And now let's have a look at this aquarium. How amazing is the idea of building a fish tank in the shape of two interlocking hearts? It is such a wonderful aquarium to make your garden more sparkling, charming, and romantic. So now let's find out how the artists made this masterpiece. First of all, the corner of the garden was cleaned. Then, they marked the position of the aquarium with 4 iron bars and rearranged them with red bricks at the same time to form a flat surface to fulfill the marked positions. The water pipes were installed before they poured cement on the brick surface. After the cement dried for 2 days, the craftsmen made the 2 interlocking hearts with red bricks. After completing this, they built 2 columns with 2 PVC pipes, which were filled with cement. Perhaps they would use this to do something. Moreover, the craftsmen rolled 2 plastic into tubes and installed them in a pre-positioned place. Next, the workers attached 2 wire netting on the previous 2 cement columns. They continue to soak their clothes in cement and put on the 2 steel plates to form a circle to make it like a staircase. In the next step, they use cement to rub on the entire rough work. They do it from outside to inside, and then use a small sponge to rub on the cement surface to create flatness. They use a cutter and use broken ceramic bricks to create a house of ceramic bricks. Look at it! Within 5 minutes, with considerable construction skills, he built 2 dazzling art stairs. Next, they installed the water circulation system and carry on finishing the painting for the whole project. As you can see, every step is done quickly and professionally. After finishing painting, the aquarium was like putting on a new coat. In the final stage, to make the main words become more prominent, he decorated them with red bricks, white pebbles, and ornamental plants. When everything completed, There were 3 different aquariums appeared in the artwork. Colorful fish were released into the tanks, combined with the murmuring sound of water, creating a lively and romantic scene. Okay, so after 4 working days, a heart-shaped aquarium combined with garden miniatures was definitely completed. What do you think about this artwork? Please give your comments below. Thank you for your watching. Like and subscribe to support us and follow the next videos. Goodbye!